if you guys can hear me. I'm in Wauneta, Nebraska. This is kind of a little pit stop. Oh wow, it's windy. It's kind of cold. Oops. This is called the Little Grand Canyon. Just right off the highway here. Supposedly, down here, there's this huge, like, canyon or gorge. Man, it is windy. I was gonna fly the drone, but it's way too windy. Over there. Oh, I just stepped in. Yeah, how do you get along here? How do you get in here? It's all fenced off. Yeah, I can't see down there. Oh, what a place. Very interesting. So I'm on my way to a lake. I don't know. I think it's another 30 miles or so. It wasn't supposed to be windy. I checked the forecast and it said no wind. Might have to come back and do this one maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. It's such a kind of a long drive from this lake to the hotel where I'm staying at. I just want to get it done, but we're gonna go there. We're gonna go check it out. Wow, what a beautiful place! The Little Grand Canyon in Nebraska. I'm gonna get back in the car and keep on heading towards the lake. Somewhere down there is